Hello, it's Rachel with Compass up in Big Bear. Today we are going to look at 42677 Cougar in Big Bear Lake. Beautiful house. You are going to love this one. Okay, here we are from the middle of the street. And this again is 42677 Cougar. So outside, newer construction too. I saw this one being built not too long ago. Concrete driveway. And you've got a one-car garage. So likely you could probably fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 5 cars here if you do park one in the garage. So there's this beautiful rock facade on the outside, and then this is truck stacking, as well as really nice iron railing. I like the color that they used. Also, it's almost like a dark navy with black trim, and again kind of like a covered porch right here. So walking in, you won't get snow and ice coming in. So entering into the kitchen area, you could go downstairs from here. I'm gonna save that for last, but let's enjoy the kitchen first. So I really like this kind of quartz countertop that they used. And then cabinetry. I always love when they do different color up and down, but very craftsman style in here. It's beautiful that they went all the way to the ground with it too. Some nice appliances. That's not a backsplash, it's just part of the oven right there. And then the flooring in here is engineered hardwood floors. And then you've got granite right here. Listing actually says that it could fit 6 cars. So you could probably, you can have like an eat-at kitchen right here. You got some Italian furniture in here that they had imported. That's a beautiful piece right there. So the home is 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and about 2,500 square foot. You are really close to downtown Moonridge area, so just right around the corner, you could catch the lift to get to Bear Mountain or Snow Summit. You've got a nice wood fireplace right here. Doesn't even look like it's been used. And you have a mantle. And that same rock that they have from the outside is on the same as the inside. And I show you the view. So outside you've got a gas connection here so that you could have a barbecue outside and have like a little dining area. I'm gonna try and zoom in right here for you, but that is Snow Summit right there. And then you'll also get a little peekaboo view of Bear Mountain over here. That fence down here likely going to be the property line, but no fences on this side of the home. Probably about a 4-minute drive or so to the grocery stores. Also probably about 5 minutes to the hospital. To the village of Big Bear Lake, maybe about 6 minutes, 4 miles or so. And where else do you want to go? Ski slopes, probably about 2 minutes to Bear Mountain, and about 4 or so minutes to Snow Summit, depending upon traffic, obviously. So you got the same courts right here, little office area. And then this is the first master. So probably more of like the master. Craftsman doors. Real nice plush carpet too. Pretty, very pretty color. Kind of just matches all the different, colors going on in here. You've got kind of a navy blue trim, black for the doors, and then just kind of this like ebony on the cedar up there. So on this one, you've got access to the backyard, and then you do have a great view from the bed. And then right here is downtown Moonridge area, which is where the lift is going to pick you up. But that's also going to be a new little downtown area in the next few years. They want to do a few different like shops and stuff, and they've got some restaurants there. And then you also have Town Trail, where you can get on the trail and go all the way down to the lake and all the way up to the ski slopes. So this is really kind of a neat, it's like a textured granite also too. Nice windows. And here's tile on the floor, kind of a gray and whitish to match the rest of the home. So now go down this hallway. You've got a Nest thermostat. The lights are auto lights. I turned them all on, but when you walk in, they'll turn on. And then they'll auto turn off as well. So you have a laundry up here. Newer appliances in here too. And then, so they've got all these, they'll just go off if you open a door. So here we've got the garage. They've kind of got like a little game area set up in here. And it's finished off. You could potentially get 2 cars in here. You'd have to park it perfectly. So, next you got just like a coat closet up here for like room, mop. Rental on this one would probably be very good. I mean, there's some that we have on our office program that would probably do around like 80 to 100,000, depending upon how much you actually used it yourself. Also note, they've got these wires like that, really nice and modern look to it. And you've got the wall of cedar tongue and groove. Okay, so down here we're in another living room, which you would probably want to set this up as a game room, like maybe just like a kid's game room. So this one's going to be bedroom number 2, which is also a master. So a little bit different tile here, but the same kind of pattern. This one's a larger tile, and then in the actual shower they used a smaller version of it on the floor, but the same countertops. And then in here we've got a rainfall shower. It just barely ever, it doesn't even look used at all. So again, we're in bedroom number 2, and it's got that same carpet all throughout. Nice window, and that appears to be a queen bed. Fans in each of the bedrooms as well, and good sized closet. So next we will go into bedroom number 3. So these are kind of like Jack and Jill, and then you've got the bathroom in between, and not connecting through the bathroom, but two twin beds. Probably you could even get a bunk set in here if you wanted to. And then again, like another little office-y area right here. Maybe some board games or something you'd put in here. So all of the bathrooms are slightly different. So this one's got, it's kind of like a navy tile in here. Not as navy as the rug, but really pretty color on that. I like that each of them are unique and just slightly different. So in here you've got that same navy tile on the wall, and then nice clean tub. And then we have the double bed room, and this one's got access to the outside, and also I'll get a little bit closer. You do have a same view over here of Snow Summit right there, but I'm gonna walk you out through the living room. And again, Craftsman doors, sliding closets in each of the bedrooms, central heating as well. But this room is, you could do a lot of things with this room. You could probably, do like a game room if you were going to use it for renting. You could do, just more sleeping for the family. But probably a game room or another living room. And then they've also got this nice rock. And this is a fireplace also with a little baked glass in it. So see, when all the doors open, It makes a, you probably didn't hear that, but it makes a noise. So nice covered porch out here would be a decent area to have a little hot tub, maybe even upstairs. But if you did want to have a hot tub upstairs, you might have to put another post somewhere to reinforce it. Whereas down here, you may not have to do that. We have all these modern lights right here. So pretty good views on this one. Lot line here on this side is probably going to be roughly right around here, halfway between the two houses. A lot line back here, likely going to be the fence line. And then you also have the Trex decking here, which is lifetime decking. Neighbor next door is working on their house. On this side, it looks like there's a marker out here at that corner. So probably gonna run pretty tight to the house. There it is. 42677 Cougar Lane.